Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two gaming motherboards that are ready to take your gaming experience to the next level. On the left, we have the mighty MSI MAG B550 Tomahawk gaming motherboard, and on the right, we have the ASUS TUF gaming B650-PLUS Wi-Fi socket AM4 Ryzen 7000 ATX motherboard. Get ready to witness the ultimate clash of the gaming titans. Let's kick things off with the price. The MSI MAG B550 Tomahawk comes in at a cool $169, while the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS Wi-Fi takes the lead with a price tag of $219. Now, I don't know about you, but I could use that extra $50 for some pizza and energy drinks during those intense gaming sessions. When it comes to performance, both these motherboards are packing some serious firepower. The MSI MAG B550 Tomahawk supports 3rd General AMD Ryzen processors and future AMD Ryzen processors with a simple BIOS update. On the other side, the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS Wi-Fi is ready for the upcoming AMD Ryzen 7000 series desktop processors. It's like having a backstage pass to the gaming concert of the century. Let's talk connectivity. The MSI MAG B550 Tomahawk offers onboard dual LAN with a 2.5G LAN and gigabit LAN, ensuring lightning-fast internet speeds for all your online battles. Meanwhile, the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS Wi-Fi takes it up a notch with Wi-Fi 6, Realtek 2.5 gigabits Ethernet, and TUF LANguard. Say goodbye to lag and hello to uninterrupted gaming sessions. We all know that gaming can heat things up, but fear not, because these motherboards have got your back. The MSI MAG B550 Tomahawk boasts a premium thermal solution with an aluminum cover and additional choke thermal pad for optimal heat dissipation. On the other hand, the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS Wi-Fi features enlarged VRM and PCIe heatsinks, M2 heatsinks, and hybrid fan headers. It's like having your own personal air conditioner for your PC. Now, let's talk about the bling factor. The MSI MAG B550 Tomahawk shines bright with its Mystic Light RGB LED lighting and extendable pin headers, offering a dazzling array of 16.8 million colors and 29 effects. But wait, the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS Wi-Fi isn't backing down either. With its Aura Sync RGB effects, stylish edge lighting design, and addressable RGB headers, your PC will be the envy of all your gaming buddies. Based on online reviews, the MSI MAG B550 Tomahawk gaming motherboard is praised for its affordability, versatility, fast connectivity, efficient cooling, and vibrant RGB lighting. On the other hand, the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS Wi-Fi socket AM4 Ryzen 7000 ATX motherboard is praised for its premium price, future-proof performance, reliable connectivity, excellent cooling, and stylish RGB lighting. And there you have it, folks, the MSI MAG B550 Tomahawk gaming motherboard and the ASUS TUF Gaming B650-PLUS Wi-Fi socket AM4 Ryzen 7000 ATX motherboard. Both of these beasts have their own unique strengths, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and budget. But no matter which one you choose, you can't go wrong with either of these powerhouses. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below for more information and to make your purchase. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more epic comparisons and buying guides. Until next time, stay smart and game on.